YouTube, Paul Bates here and Daisy, day 18. Keto, it suffered yesterday, but we had a little celebrating to do, so I drank some of the devil's juice. I can't take the devil's juice. Anyway, you can't be perfect every day. Anyway, so keto, I had a few pieces of chocolate and a beer, and that was it. It was all over. But anyway. Market was up. That's enjoyable. This week we'll spend looking at some 5G stocks is what I really want to get into now. My crypto's down. I think we're just in a stage, they go up, they go down. Last panels went to New York, so yesterday was the last day of our job. We're back to full-time unemployment. We'll see how long that lasts. Maybe next week they can pull us in, maybe get one more week out of it before we do the complete shutdown. But we are basically shut down. The only way you're in and out of the building is if you have a pass to come in there and we do these panels. Anyway, foot steroids did exactly what they told me they were going to do. They wouldn't sleep last night. I agitated Bev all night long. It was horrible, but hey, somebody had to do it. Daisy, she went for her nice long walk as usual. And the big news yesterday is the people that were buying the RV, we've been talking to them for about a month, they came and picked the RV up yesterday. So the RV is 100% gone, 100% paid for. So that's a $77,000 loan gone. So we're freed up a bunch of money. So I'll talk about it in my channel if you guys want to. I do World War III channel. I'll link it in the description down here, and I'll do a video telling you what I'm going to do with that money I freed up, because that motorhome cost about $1,200 a month. So what am I going to do with that? Obviously, I'm going to invest that money. I'm not just going to spend that money. So that was super cool. Also, this week, last night, me and Bev talked about, because we had planned next week to go see the grandkids, but I don't know if that's such a good idea anymore. A, we don't have the motorhome, and B, we have to, with this social distancing, and is it the right thing to do? So it's probably not. So we talked about maybe jumping on the UTV and taking a trip out to the Grand Canyon and doing an overnight spend the night trip. So that'd be super cool. So I'll spend the week getting the car ready, going through everything that we need. I think I pretty much have everything, but it'd be a fun, exciting trip. It'd be a good video too. So anyway, that's what we yesterday, what it entailed. Tomorrow, Friday, is Good Friday. We are back to unemployment. So we'll see. Maybe then next week they can find some work for us. Anyway, Paul and Daisy, peace out. Practice your social distancing. This thing's going to be over with before you know it. And we love you guys. Bye.